Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 6. I got this watch for my husband for his birthday from Costco for $414.99 plus tax. But that was last week. Right now, this watch is on sale for $35 off and you will be paying $379.99. So let's just start unboxing. So this is space gray 44 with the black sports band. So let's open this up. There are two boxes inside. Let's open the first one. Inside is your normal documentation about your product, guide about how to set up your Apple Watch. Charger with USB so you can plug this into any wall brick that you already have. Moving on toward the watch, which is packed in this cute little pouch. Let's go ahead and slide it out. And now let's take a look at the band. I really like feeling of this band. It feels really nice. So you're just going to slide it in that little section for the band. Feels really light, and you can also see how the 44 looks on female wrist. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pair this up with my iPhone by bringing this next to my iPhone and it says pair. Sorry guys for the blurry picture, I'm still kinda new to this, but basically it says put on your Apple Watch and hold it up to the camera. And now it's asking which wrist do I want to put it on. You can set it up as a new watch or restore from your backup. And we will go ahead and hit the continue and set it up for myself right now, and then I think I will change it later for my husband. And now it's connecting to the Apple Watch and it's going to take some time. So over here we have our digital crown, microphone, power button. On the other side we have our speakers, and the back side is sensors. So now the watch is all set up and it says welcome to Apple Watch. And you can adjust your settings. Just browsing through different apps available on this watch, you can check your blood oxygen, ECG, then there's workout and camera remote, sleep app. You can make phone calls, check your emails, send messages, photos, podcasts, and on and on and on. I think I'm going to try this blood oxygen app. Next and next, and you just try not to move your hand or your body too much and wait for 15 seconds. So that's it for Apple Watch Series 6. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to buy this watch right now is the perfect time because it's on sale at Costco and you can grab this watch for $379.99. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next one.